First, we'll start by resetting the network settings on your Android device. Open the Settings app and scroll down to find System. Tap on it. Next, scroll down and tap on Reset. Then, tap on Reset Settings. Then tap on Reset Wi-Fi. You'll need to draw your pattern or enter your password to confirm the reset. Once the reset is complete, go back to the main settings menu. Next, we'll enable developer options and turn on Wi-Fi throttling. Scroll down and tap on developer options. If you don't see developer options, you'll need to enable it by going to About Phone and tapping on the build number 7 times. Once in developer options, scroll down and find Wi-Fi throttling. Make sure to turn it on. After enabling Wi-Fi throttling, restart your device. Don't forget to restart your Wi-Fi router as well. Make sure it's powered on and working properly. If the previous steps didn't solve the issue, you might need to reset your Wi-Fi configuration. Go back to your Wi-Fi settings and choose your Wi-Fi network again. After following these steps, your problem should be solved, and you should see your Wi-Fi name.